Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T-Man, we back again with another case review video for the iPhone XS Max. What we have in front of us, you already know it is the Rhinoshield SolidSuit. Now this is one of my favorite series case from any case manufacturer out there, man. I'm not saying that because Rhinoshield sent me these cases. Huge shout out to them for dropping me these cases to review, but I just love the Rhinoshield SolidSuit series. So let's go ahead and get into them. We do have three types. We have the carbon fiber, we have leather, and we have the matte black version. So let's go ahead and just put these to the side and we're gonna start off with I believe this is the matte black version. So if you haven't seen this video or haven't seen this case on my video, SolidSuit case, 11 feet of drop protection. Here is the information on the back. You can pause it, not much to it. So let's go ahead and get straight into the case itself. All right, so let's peel this off here. Little protective backing. And here it is, the SolidSuit. This is the matte black version. Now this case is fairly rigid, not too flexible. Have some shock absorption material. It's such a hard word to say. Shock absorption material on the inside. You have your raised power button. You have your raised volume up, your raised volume down. All of your ports and your cutouts, everything is very, very simple on it. And on the side here, you do get some Rhinoshield branding. So let's go ahead and pop the Max in and let's see how it actually fit. Now here it is, fits super duper good. I can already tell you my new daily case, and I always keep you guys up to date on what's my new daily case, and I can already tell you this will be my new daily case. So here it is. Got that cutout around the camera sensor. It's a little big, but it's actually, you can still see the color of the iPhone just a little bit. On the bottom, all of your ports and cutouts are spot on there. Power button, nice and tactile, no issues. Volume up, volume down, nice and tactile as well. So everything is good. The buttons, everything is spot on. Let's take a look at that lay on the table protection. Now this is rated for 11 feet of drop protection. So it does have a slightly raised lip on the top and the bottom. So if you were to drop it on face first, you should be good. And I do have a tempered glass screen protector. Now everybody may ask me, what screen protector is this? This is the Max Boost tempered glass screen protector. I am going to do a review of those. I do have some on the order, on the way, the time I'm recording this video. So we will review this tempered glass screen protector because it is a very good one for a nice affordable price. So nice lay on tail protection. So you should be good there. How does it actually fit on the phone? Now it fits absolutely amazing. And this is what I like about the SolidSuits. Like, you have to really try hard. I mean, you can hear that snap. That snap is like something serious, man. This is the most tight-fitting case you can get when it comes to a case almost, man. This case is just super duper tight. It's ridiculous. So that's the reason why I love it. No giving on the top or the bottoms or the sides. These cases are spot on. And how does it feel in your hand? It actually feels very good. One thing about Rhinoshield, that if you've been running them for a very long time, they now added some grip that goes along the side here. So you can see that's a little textured now. And one thing that I didn't care about the SolidSuit was back in the day, it was a little bit slippery on the edges, but they have solved that problem by adding some texture on the side of the devices, and that actually makes it fit very, very good. Feels good in your hand, and definitely feel like if you were to drop it, that this bad boy can take a drop. Now bring it over here, drop it on wireless charging. It does work with wireless charging. So this is the Rhinoshield SolidSuit, man, and like I said, this is the matte black color. So let's go ahead and bring the other ones in here and pop them on, and let me show you what they look like. Now this is the carbon fiber one, same exact case, just the different color. So I just want to pop them on so you can see how each of them look in case you wanted to get one. So this is the carbon fiber. Take that protective plastic off there, and you see you get that nice little carbon fiber weave on the back. So if you're a carbon fiber person, then this case could be possibly for you. Let's go ahead and pop it on the Max. Here it is on the silver version. So the carbon fiber actually looks very good too. Now, one person did comment on my video and asked me, did the material on the back give you a better grip? And for me, I feel like it could. It's not that big of a difference. It's all made out of the same material. It's just this one has a carbon fiber pattern on it. So it's not that big of a difference, but just wanted to show you guys the carbon fiber SolidSuit for the iPhone XS Max. Let's go ahead and get the leather one. The leather one is pretty smooth, so let's go ahead and pop the leather one on there and see how it looks. So here is the leather one. Now I'm not sure if I've ever ran their leather SolidSuit. Now I've ran the matte black. I've ran the carbon fiber for a very long time on my iPhone 10. So here is the leather version. Same exact case, everything the same, except the back has a nice feeling leather. So if you're a person who likes that leather, then you can rock out with this leather SolidSuit. So popping it up there. Here is the leather one, and that is exactly how that looks. Looks very good. So here is, once again, the SolidSuit from Rhinoshield for the iPhone XS Max. Matte black. Now this version will run you $30 over on their website. Carbon fiber version will run you $35 if I'm not mistaken. And the leather version is the most expensive, and this one is going to run you $40. But as always, I will drop the link to these cases down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, man. Comment and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.